Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your April love and work forecast for Pisces. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, this reading is for you. If you know Pisces, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, friends, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Yes, at the end of every month, one person is one lucky subscriber is selected for a free reading. So subscribe, like, and share, friends. And this is a general reading, may or may not resonate. So let's see, Pisces, how this month will be for you. The theme of the month for Pisces. What is the theme of the month for Pisces? I wanna just shuffle them a bit. Okay, so your cards are already jumping out, but let's just shuffle them because they're not shuffled yet. For Pisces, what is the theme of the month of April for Pisces? Okay, thank you. Let's see. Wow, expansion and the lovers. So I definitely feel this month is about traveling. This month is about expanding your work, your career, your love life. There is positive expansion. There may be also expansion in your family, some childbirth, some pregnancy happening for some of you. Yes, the focus is on making your life better, making your life expand, your career expand, making your business expand, your love life expand. If you are single, you are definitely ready to mingle, Pisces. Yes, the lovers. Yes, this month is about love. This month is about relationships for you and finding the right person, the right balance between love and work for you, Pisces. This is like your stars are shining for you, definitely. Love is definitely showering on you, Pisces. So yes, this month is also about choices for you. Which choice you may need, decisions you need to make for your future, which is the best choice for you. So yes, there will be some choices, there will be some decisions for you. Yes, strength. You're very strong, friends. You're very, very strong this month. Your health will be very high. Your fitness, your stamina will be better. If you're dealing or struggling with health issues, you can expect a recovery, Pisces. I do see your relationships will get better and stronger this month, friends. I also see some of you could be getting actually pregnant, or you are already pregnant, so you could expect a baby this month. So, yoo-hoo, congratulations. Big, big energies. I also feel, friends, you are very, very, powerful this month, Pisces. In fact, you are appearing like this lion, very powerful, not like the sweet Pisces. You are appearing very, very powerful. So, which is wonderful. A very powerful month, a month full of choices, decisions, and expansion. So, let's see who is coming towards Pisces in their love life. Okay, Knight of Cups. Oh, Three of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Oh my God, the Queen of Pentacles. So yeah, I do feel you could be dealing with someone, somebody who has put you in a third party. So oh my God. Definitely, there is. I see like a lot of people are coming your way, Pisces. I'll be honest here. There is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person coming towards you. This person could be someone who has hurt you or someone from your past. I also see a new lover coming your way, someone who is young, someone who likes you, cares for you, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I also see that. A Queen of Pentacle, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. I feel like someone's family is also kind of interfering in this connection, like their sisters, brothers, or, mother is interfering in this connection, or they want to talk to you. So, yeah, I do feel a lot of people are coming towards you, Pisces, and someone who hurt you, someone who broke your heart, they are coming back because they see you as very powerful. They see you as this queen now. They want you back. And someone new is also coming. I see that. This could be more like a friend zone person or somebody whom you work with. You already know. It's not a new person, it's somebody you work or you know. They are also coming. So, how your love life will be for Pisces? So there are choices, lovers, choices, decisions in love. Which one to choose? Yes, Six of Pentacles. Justice, Five of Cups. Oh my God, this is tough. The Page of Pentacles, the Hermit, Two of Pentacles. All right. So your love life is definitely happening. This a roller coaster is there for you, a roller coaster of emotions and decisions. Pisces, yes, I do see someone is returning, someone from the past who really likes you, cares for you, but they definitely hurted you in the past, may have put you in a third party. They want you back, they want justice to happen in this connection. And for some of you, if you are struggling with a divorce or something like that, you will find relief in the first week, friends. It is, these readings are for everybody, so don't worry. If you are struggling with a marriage, you will find balance. If you are struggling with the legal issues in your love life, you will recover from it in the first week. But for others, someone is coming from the past and they want to do justice to you because they have hurted you in the past. They have not given you their time, their attention, their love to you in the past, and they feel guilty, they feel bad, so they are back. But I don't know if you will accept this person or not, Pisces. The choice is definitely yours. I see in the second week you will be taking a slow approach towards this person. You will not be telling which person you like or what is on your mind. You will be focusing more on your work, on your future, rather than on love. You are focusing more, Pisces, on your work and career, but there are people coming towards you, wanting you, making love to you, and they are trying very desperately to reach you out or know what's on your mind. But I think second week you're really quiet with not telling anybody how you're feeling. So I do feel that the third week again there might be a chance of a confusion or conflict or argument with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or your partner, husband or wife, or a twin flame. There might be arguments with this person because they want to know what's on your mind. They want your yes and no, but you are focused on your work. So that could also be a problem. Also, you may feel like this person is. There are choices, so you may have to decide which is the best person for you. So, Pisces, you have choices. You have, you have to choose. But third week, there is tension. There is a chance of fighting because arguments, because you're focused on work and the other person wants your time, your love and affection. So the final week will definitely be better for you, Pisces. Things will get better, things will get more easy, and you will have a better chance to talk with people. You will be more free, you will have more chance or time to date around and get to know people. And also some sort of a karmic or weight will be lifted off your love relationship. So a lot is happening for you, Pisces. I definitely feel that a lot is happening. Some of you could be dealing with third parties, or some of you could be dealing with interferences from family and friends, but you will recover from it, Pisces. Yes, things are looking up, you have choices, and you have a lot of support also. So let's see some advice for you, Pisces. I see you will have a choice in love, definitely, some decisions to make, whether you will focus on work or not, like firm foundations. Yes, you are making your relationships deep. You are making deeper contact with them, deeper foundations in your love life. You want anything that's deep, nothing less than that. Rest and rejuvenate. Yeah, your focus is like, I want to work, I don't want to discuss love. But people are like, no, 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 we want to talk about love. Suffering in silence, Nine of Swords. Yeah, I do feel you have a lot of workload, friends, in Pisces in this month of April. And you may, I do feel like you are not telling if people are affecting you or even they are hurting you. You will not be telling them because that's how you are. You're not telling them. You're just like, okay, fine, what's the point of telling people, third eye chakra. Yeah, but I do feel that other people can sense you. There is a telepathic connection between you and another person, and that's why they are coming in to apologize, to say sorry, because they know they have hurt you. So yeah. And heartache and loss. Oh my god, I do feel some of you could be actually let's clarify the heartache and loss. Yeah, some of you could actually be facing some third party issues, or someone has left you or broken your heart, but they are coming back. But you can't forget the past, so you have to choose which one, what to do, to stay or not to stay. And can you really forgive them? So that, can you forgive the past and really move on with that person? So that is what a choice is about. It will take some time for you, but I see expansion will happen, positive things will happen in your love life, Pisces, so don't worry. Let's see your work and career. for Pisces, their work and career in April. Oh wow, success, celebrations, fulfillment, Nine of Cups. All right, double celebrations, the light, and moving on, and material and spiritual prosperity. So I do see you could be getting a farewell, or you could be having a freshers party, or you could be throwing a farewell or a freshers party in colleges, even at work also. Do see you might be leaving a place and moving into a better department, or you are joining a department or joining a new job or a new project, and there is celebration, there is happiness. I also feel you will be making new friends at your work, connecting with past friends, old friends, new friends. So your wishes are definitely gonna come true. Your business, your work and career is expanding. There's a lot of success in your career in April, and happiness is there. At least you will find people. Even if you are not finding job, you will find people who can help you. You will find the right connections. So connections are very good. Something happy or some celebrations will happen for you in this month, friends. And so you will move on, maybe shift a country or a city or an office or something, or a project, and you will be sad, but I do feel you'll be happy. Material and spiritual prosperity, yes friends, you are definitely moving or buying a home, or investing in homes or properties or in land, investing your money. So you're very busy about all those things in this month. And light, number 19, the sun. Yes friends, this is about success coming your way. This is about, yes, fame, money, power, success. Your stars are shining bright, Pisces. No wonder you have no time for love this month, and everybody wants you in love also. So very nice, Pisces. Busy month for you. Let's see for Pisces. So July is important for some of you, or someone born in July. I've read some sorrow over a loss. Yeah, you could be ending a job or a university or college or a project which you are close to, but you are also happy because you are moving into something nice. Sunrise, a new venture, a fresh start is coming for you. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. Yeah, you are very passionate, friends. I told you, you are like the lion or the tiger this month, fearless and very, very powerful. Heartache over what you no longer have. Yeah, you're missing somebody from the past or something from the past, temporary situation, but they are gonna return to you very quickly. Solid foundations and success with effort. You are laying some very strong foundations, buying a home, a property or something like that. Too much concerns with sexual matters. Yeah, I do feel some of you could be getting pregnant or something like that, or you're planning to expand your family. So yeah, marriage proposals could also be there. So yes, some of you may also get very sexual chemistry, a sexual relation, like a lustful and a love connection. So both are coming. Woman, somebody, a woman is important. Mice, discord among friends or family. So yeah, that may happen at work also, so you have to be careful. Guaranteed success, but you're gonna be very successful, Pisces. This is your month, the stars are shining for you, Pisces. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. To buy a personal reading, head to our website. This is Mystic Z saying bye for now.